All right, welcome to Success SK Marshall. What do we have for today? Let's get started.
A detailed view of SDLC. In our previous videos, we have looked at SDLC overview, planning in SDLC, requirement analysis in SDLC, design prototyping in SDLC, what is development in SDLC. And so today we'll be looking at what is testing in SDLC. But before we go deeper, if today is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell to keep getting the latest updates and videos like this each time we drop them. So what is testing in SDLC? That is software development life cycle. So the testing phase is where the actual testing is being done. All right, once the developer have done with their coding, right, there must be testing of what has been done. So the development team, the developer who work on a particular feature must deploy after he has conducted unit testing to the test environment for the tester to work on it in order to check or verify that the software system is working as expected, right? So in this phase, the before testing can be done, there must be availability of all testing artifacts, right? So some of them are the test plan, right? Test conditions, test cases, software specification itself, the process flow, and some every other the required traceability matrix also must be available, and some other test artifacts must be available before this phase can begin. So and in this phase, right, the testing phase does not necessarily have to be after the development as the developers or the development team has deployed to the testing environment. So tests take place in every SDLC phases, right? It could be static or dynamic testing. So in every of the SDL phases, either in the planning phase, the requirement analysis phase, the deployment phase, and the development phase, every of the phases in SDLC testing takes place. So that's what I mean by it doesn't necessarily have to be when the code is developed. Testing doesn't have to wait to that point where the software system is actually deployed to production, to testing environment before the testers can test. All right. So yeah, testing could ever be, it can be dynamic, it can be static. So immediately there is a requirement on ground, or there is a document that captures requirements, testing begins from that very state. And that kind of testing is called static testing, static review. So also in testing phase, expected functions are verified and be checked against the actual implementation. What is expected? What are the clients expecting from this software system? What has your developers or this development team implemented? All right, so you check against each other. That is what testing is about in SDLC. Also, defects are logged. Of course, when there is a test, there's definitely going to be defects. They are going to be logged. They are going to be reported. They are going to be tracked, right? So that none of these defects escape or become a leakage into production. They are going to be retested after they are being fixed, and they must be passed before the software system is allowed to move on. So testing could be with or without a tool. In other words, testing could be manual or be automated. So if testing is automated, tools like Cypress, Selenium, Cucumber, and some other tools, Catalan, and some other tools like that are being used in automating your test. JMeter can also be used for load or performance testing, Shine for security tests, and a whole lot of tools in the market today are being used for testing. And so this will be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you do like this video, kindly subscribe, like, and share to keep getting the latest update. See you in my next video.